Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
This crochet heart basket is easy to make with t-shirt yarn and a wooden template with spaces evenly placed for single crochet stitches. I like to line the bottom of the basket with felt or material so that the template isn't seen. However, if items are placed inside the basket, it won't be very visible anyway. My template is 10 inches across and I'm using regular t-shirt yarn for my basket. The hook size is mostly determined by what can fit through the template's holes, since t-shirt yarn can pretty much be worked with any size crochet hook. I'm using a size 6.5K hook for my larger basket. After placing a slip knot on my hook, I work at the bottom of the heart. I'm not going to work with the point part just yet. Instead, I'm using the next space over and making a single crochet into it. I'm viewing the spaces as if they were chain spaces from the round below, just as if the round before had a chain space, and we make a single crochet into it. Placing the hook inside each of the wooden spaces can be slightly challenging at the angle I'm holding my template at, so that it's easier to see for this tutorial. Normally, I hold the template against my stomach area, and this makes it much easier to crochet. Continue around until the top of the heart. To help keep the shape of the heart, we have to make a single crochet 3 together stitch. Basically, we're going to draw up loops in the next 3 spaces, then yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. If this is too complicated, just make a single crochet on the right space, skip the center space, and make a single crochet on the left space. After that center top section, just make one single crochet in each space around, leaving that bottom point unworked for now. And now it's time to work on that bottom point. Technically, it is a corner, a right angle 90-degree corner in crochet. So we generally try to place 3 single crochet stitches in corners. This might or might not be easy depending upon the yarn and the size of the space. But if possible, try to fit 3 single crochet stitches in that bottom corner space. With t-shirt yarn, I don't make a traditional slip stitch. I make more of a half slip stitch by removing my hook and only pulling the loop through one side of the stitch. But a traditional slip stitch would work as well. For all subsequent rounds, chain 1 and make just 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Even at the top and the bottom corner, everything is just 1 single crochet in each stitch around. I made 7 rounds of single crochet stitches along with my Naztazia braided edge, which also has a tutorial as well. I usually trace the template on felt or fabric and trim it to the shape of the heart so that it can sit on the bottom of the basket, mostly to hide the wooden template. And that's it. That's how I crochet a heart basket using a wooden template.